Good evening friends. Today's video is very important for those students who are interested to join as an officer in Indian Army. Let's begin now. Joining the Indian Army as an officer is a prestigious and challenging process that involves multiple steps and requirements. Here is a comprehensive guide detailing the various pathway, eligibility criteria, selection process and training involved in becoming an officer in the Indian Army. Pathway to join as an officer. First is National Defence Academy, that is NDA. Second, Combined Defence Service. Third, Technical Entry Scheme. Fourth, University Entry System Scheme. Fifth, Army Cadet College, that is ACC. This is also called Service Entry. Sixth, Short Service Commission SSC. And 7 is NCC Special Entry Scheme. Firstly, we will discuss about National Defence Academy NDA. Eligibility. Age must be 16.5 to 19.5 years. Education 12 class pass of the 10+2 pattern of school education or equivalent examination for Army Wing. 12 pass with physics and mathematics for Air Force and Naval Wing. Martial status. Unmarried male candidates. Selection process. Written examination conducted by UPSC includes mathematics and general ability test. SSB interview, psychological tests, group task and personal interview. Medical examination, comprehensive medical examination to ensure fitness. Training, 3-year course at NDA followed by 1-year training at the Indian Military Academy. Second is Combined Defence Service CDS. Eligibility. Age 19 to 24 years for IMA, 19 to 25 years for Officers Training Academy OTA. Education. Graduation from a recognized university. Martial status. Unmarried male candidates for IMA. Unmarried or widowed / divorced female and male candidates for OTA. Selection process. Written examination conducted by UPSC includes English, general knowledge and elementary mathematics for IMA. SSB interview, similar to NDA, includes psychological test, group tasks and personal interview. Medical examination, detailed medical examination will be carried out after SSB interview. Training, 18 months at IMA for regular officers, 49 weeks at OTA for SSC officers. Third is Technical Entry Scheme. Eligibility. Age 16.5 to 19.5 years. Education 10+2 with physics, chemistry and mathematics with a minimum of 70% aggregated. Martial status. Unmarried male candidates. Selection process. SSB interview based on the 10+2 marks. Medical examination, comprehensive medical checkup will be carried out after SSB interview. Training. In Technical Entry System, 4-year engineering course followed by 1 year at IMA. IMA means Indian Military Academy, that is located at Dehradun. Next है University Entry Scheme UES. Eligibility. Age must be 18 to 25 years. Education. Pre-final year engineering students. Martial status. Unmarried male candidates. Selection process. Campus interview. Initial selection by Army team at the campus. Means the selection team of Army team will be arrived in respective campus of university / colleges. SSB interview. Further evaluation and selection. Medical examination. Comprehensive medical checkup will be carried out. Training. Only 1 year training at IMA. IMA means Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. Fifth है Army Cadet College ACC. Eligibility. Age 20 to 27 years. Education 10+2 or equivalent. Service. At least 2 years of service in Army, Navy or Air Force. Marshal status, unmarried male candidates, selection process, written examination conducted by SEC, thereafter SSB interview, comprehensive evaluation process, and medical examination, detailed medical checkup will be carried out. Training, 3-year training at ACC wing of the Indian Military Academy and 1 year in IMA. 6. Short Service Commission SSC. Eligibility, age 19 to 25 years. Education, graduation from a recognized university. Marshal status, unmarried male and female candidates. Selection process, written examination conducted by UPSC, SSB interview, comprehensive evaluation, medical examination, detailed medical checkup will be carried out. Training, 49 weeks at OTA, Officers Training Academy, that is Chennai. And next stage, NCC Special Entry Scheme. Eligibility, age must be 19 to 25 years. Education, graduation with 50% aggregated marks, NCC C certificate with minimum B grade. Marshal status, unmarried male and female candidates. Please ensure here Marshal status, unmarried male and female candidates. Selection process, direct SSB interview based on NCC certificate, medical examination, comprehensive medical checkup. Training, same as SSC at Officers Training Academy OTA, that is located in Chennai. Physical and medical standard, height minimum 157.5 cm for men, 152 cm for women, various for certain regions. Chest, fully expanded chest of 81 cm with an expansion of 5 cm. Vision, 6/6 in one eye and 6/9 in other eye correctably. General health, no chronic disease, physical deformities or mental issues. Preparation tips, academics, strong foundation in subjects like mathematics, physics and English. Physical fitness, regular exercise, running, swimming and participation in sports. Current affairs, stay updated with current events, general knowledge and military related news. Personal development, work on communication skills, leadership qualities and confidence. Mock test and interviews, practice written exam and mock SSB interviews to get familiar with the process. Basic medical fitness, please ensure that you are medically fit as per the norms of army so as to avoid the disappointment at later stage. Joining the Indian Army as an officer requires dedication, preparation and a strong will to serve the nation. Each pathway has specific requirements and a selection process, so it is crucial to choose the one that best fits your qualification and aspiration. Jai Hind दोस्तों, here my video is end. If there is any doubt, you can contact me in my mobile number. I will given in below link. Thank you. Jai Hind.